GIOIA ORO White Paint.
GIOIA ORO White Paint. 3 products, a unique application system and an extraordinary range of colours. Today I'll show you how easy it is to apply these 3 products. As always, we have to start by applying Primer
Dobbiamo
Sabbia.
partire dal nostro primus, in questo caso è il primus sabbia. Primus sabbia è asciutto, possiamo applicare.
Primer Sabbia is dry. We can apply the first coat of GIOIA. I chose this colour that we're going to apply using a brush making this movement. Andrea is showing us now how easy this application is.
Andrea ci fa vedere la facilità di questa applicazione. Bene, la prima mano è asciutta.
Well, the first coat is dry. There are some patches, so we apply a second coat that will align the wall and, when dry, we'll be able to see the quality of this product with its pearlescence. A very nice effect. We can move on.
Questo effetto madreperla molto bello. Possiamo procedere. GIOIA asciutto, facilissimo.
Now GIOIA is dry. The application is very simple and, as I said, the same goes for GIOIA ORO and white paint. The product is acrylic, washable, therefore it provides great performances.
Quindi grandi performance. Ma quello che fa questo prodotto eccezionale.
What makes this product truly exceptional is its colour range.
E
as always, have fun with our products. Enjoy your work.
buon lavoro.